천진 나만 청순 가련 새침 반짝 이젠 지쳤나 귀찮아 Forever young Forever young
Hey guys, it's Skye here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is November 30, 2018, 5:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So I don't have my phone here with me. My phone is broken right now. So for today's vlog, I am going to, or we are going to Kalanggaman, Leyte. Right now, we are still here sa dorm because 9 p.m. pa yung 9 p.m. pa daw yung barko. So we will go there sa pier mga 7 p.m. Pero I'll update you guys once we're there na. Ito yung makakasama ko sa Kalanggaman Leyte. Wait lang. Let's go. Nandito sila sa loob. Pero lumabas ako saglit sa room. Okay, let's go. Wow! Ito na time. Update, it's already 8:17 p.m. and we're already here sa boat. Sa boat? Abot may dito alas 3. Alas 3? Ito ha? 2 a.m.? Mo din ni siya taga-Palampon, guys. Ayun. Sam, I wish you were here.
Kita na siyang babe.
Babe lang ako dito man. Nandito lang ako sa sulok.
Joke lang.
Oh, kita yun.
Mark Bully.
We'll be back. 3, 2. Uy, sorry mo. Pak lang to. Already 10:05 p.m. in the evening and we already left the pier, diba? Pier 3. This is Medallion boat
Shipping line.
Shipping line? This is Medallion shipping lines and then ilang leyte padong.
If economy,
Oh, this is economy by the way.
395.
395 plus shipping fee which is 25 pesos, 395 plus 25 you guys do the math. And then if you have ID, di ba?
Oh, if you have ID.
Pero if you don't have ID, 465 or 465. So if you're a student, please bring your ID so that makatipid kayo. Diba? So right now, we are just studying BSR. What's the meaning of this? Business, Economics, Social Responsibility. Charot! Business Ethics. Business Ethics, Social Responsibility. Okay, finals na mo. Tuesday.
December.
Sa bantayan mo, dyan ko nagit ay ako, di ko puti. Okay, boss gihapon. Aligo gihapon guys.
Hello! Room tour.
Ari lang gadari mo.
This is the door.
Like, ang inyong sa upper lang ba? Less than.
Uy, mga Vex. Dunggan.
Kayo lang. Parang ako mamad sa mga vlogs kayo.
Sure. Time check, it is already 5:54 a.m. We're waiting for the sunrise. So, wala pa may kasakay sa boat. Ayun, dito. This is Anne. Taga-Sishay, taga-Palampon, Leyte. So, yeah, thank you to you. Happy Happy birthday, Doy!
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Thank you for inviting us. Wowzers. So, saan ka ni Diri? I-tour na to, Ubi.
So, mani siya.
Video.
Lawig. Ay, joke.
Kung ano siya na, ari masakay ang mga padong Kalanggaman.
So, dito daw sasakay yung mga papuntang Kalanggaman.
Tapos,
Pila ang ticket, day? Okay, Bo. So, okay, Bo.
joke. Kanang magpakya ba na? Sa talaga?
Mag Fuck you.
Fuck you. Papakyaw, 3,500 daw kuno ang kan.
Kuan, 3,500 if you will rent the whole bangka. Bangka.
If-
Bangka.
Makikuan lang.
If maki-ride.
Kay 333.
333. Mana siya.
Hi guys.
So, yun.
So,
Buong. Mana siyang view. Right now.
durang Kalanggaman eh.
It's under construction pa, guys. Ay, joke. Design din, uy. Sorry. Abi ko. My God. Anne's Little Star. Yee! Ito. Gandang babae, oh. Saan ni public market? This is the public market. So this is my outfit for today. This is a dress. Tapos nilagyan ko lang ng belt. Vix. This is our vote. Our vote. Pam vote. Go isa ay. Go on. Kaya mo yan, An. Kakayanin natin to. Dili na, wear your vest na. Life vest? Mag-wear na ako sa life vest para safe.
Okay. One. Bumirang.
Life vest for safe.
Ano? Pinapinaman na.
Pina-flight attendant. So, di ko kibaw eh.
Hindi nga ba? Pwede din siya.
There's a rainbow after the rain. Kalanggaman, here we go! Whee! Clear water. Agardo Versusa na today. Yay! Wala, magubasa akong camera. Di ba yan waterproof? Oh!
Ano kamera ni mo ba atong gamitan eh?
We are here! Welcome to Kalanggaman! Yeah! Kanina it was raining but now it's already sunny. Yes. What? What's the top?
Oo. Okay, ayun. Basta naman, hindi pagunit man. Abi, kaan. So wet.
Oh, sabay tayo! It's white sand. Here's the cottages. Tagbilang cottage there, Ann? Oh, the price is wala ko kivaw. 450? Sure ba? Vote po di. Pupunta kami ng sandbar. That's our Pam boat. Elgin. Ay, Elgin! Mong kuya! No! Elgin.
So, bibibi.
Joke. So refreshed. Kanina it was rainy. This is the sandbar! Yay! Kalanggaman sandbar. Wait. You hear the waves? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go.
Move your hips to the nice beat. Come on, everybody.
Time check, it is already 8:48 a.m. in the morning and we're done taking pictures. I'm gonna flash it in the screen. And you can also follow me on Instagram if you want to see more pictures in Kalanggaman. Kalanggaman Island. So yeah, I'll change to my rash guards. Para maligo. Manang picture. Yeah, take a init. Ay! Follow us. Baka naman.
AM Bensig.
Follow them on their Instagram accounts
AM Bensig.
at @ambensig.
AM Bensig.
Tourist guide. Pero Mark.
All the links will be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys check them out if you want to see more of us. It's a Saturday and ang daming bangka. I mean like, ang daming pamboat na pumunta dito sa Kalanggaman because it's December 1. Yay! Happy December to everyone. Gikapuhin ako dahil layo pa kayo among cottage. Layo kay gikan sa kanang edge sa sandbar. Ha? Tip. Tip sa sandbar mo nagilakaw dahil pa do dito. Layo pa kayo. Pero laban lang. Para sa Instagram pictures, no? Medyo rin eh. Ay, by the way, pwede mo maka-overnight there. You can bring your own tent. Naibayad. Ang mga tent if mag-overnight ba?
Oo, naibayad.
Ay, naibayad?
Ari sila mag-content.
Okay, so they have their own tents here, but you can also bring your own tent. Pero if rent ka sa tent, dire, naibayad. Pwede ka mag-sunbathing. Like, wait na. Like this one. Yeah, nag-sunbathing sila. Bisag sun. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Kahoy. Kabugat. Okay na namin. Muna mong cottage. Wait. Charot. Layo pa din. Layo pa. Joke lang. Pero, kajitra. You guys can bring your own food. Wala siya carcage here. So, if money mo, diri, Kalanggaman, mag-budget mo from Palumpon, dakuan. Kanang port ba? Sitaw ka na?
Tourism.
Ha?
Tourism.
Tourism?
Tourism.
Oh, tourism na tawag. There ang signs. Picture. Make sure you guys put your trashes in the right places para ito i-preserve ang atong mga alagaan nga beaches here sa Philippines, okay? Or mga tourist spots. Woo! Pwede ko rin mag-volleyball dito. Move on. There mo cottage. Yay! Maliligo.
Pero gamay ra na tayo
Sunblock.
Okay.
Kalanggaman hair braid. Nami powers. Balik.
Yung ano dito?
Other part of the Kalanggaman Island. Kasi si Mark mo hater kay. Bahala ka diya. Oh, ka nice. Morg ni pahat. So sorry. Ay, shucks. Oh, kita. Ay, day. Siyag balay-balay. Tao po. Uy, sud, uy. Ay, sud. Uy, sud. Ay, mer siyag. Awa. Siya groom inside.
Kayawan eh.
Good for 2 people eh.
Sobro po
Tagpila
na.
ni?
Hindi ko rin na-afford gani.
Oh, 3 to 4. 2 to 4 no? Tagpila na siya dahil.
Ano design sunbird eh?
Hello! Look at the view! Look how nice sa beach, uy. Init lang, Jude. It is already 11:44 a.m. Muna siya. I'm not sure how much ni siya ang mga cottages. I don't know if it's cottage or room. Pero I'm pretty sure it's like around less than 1,000 siguro. I'm gonna put the prices here. Okay. Oh, look at that. There is 2 sandbars pala here. That's the second one. Tapos dyan, para siyang tree house. Ay, tree house gid siya. Touchdown, Kalanggaman, West Side, Palumpon, Leyte. Oh, yes. Here. Slide. Sakto ra. Saka ta sa tree house. Sharugway signal din no. Medyo rin no. Wait. Trawa. Diba? Picture. It's just colored. Nakakita kami ng bike. Sasakyan namin to. Walang makikita. Rent, di for rent. For rent yan. For rent. Move on. Pero feeling ko, hindi ko na alam paano mag-bike. Because it's been a long time. Goodbye, Kalanggaman. We are here sa market. Bro, sunburn ko. Let's start here. Saan ni? Unsa ni An?
Kuan.
Chichiria? Chicharon? Crispy pata? Nakabula-bula. Banana Q. Sabi kayo. Hello. Aris. Oh my God. Low bat na ko, Lord. This is spot. Pila pliti ni Billy?
5 na.
Tag-5 ang pliti. Oh, watchay kayo. So amazing. Si Mark igatindo. Hi, Mark.
Maragkuan kita.
Lagi. Uy, may pag ako igatindog din. Lagi. Mo na siyang palumpon.
Tanang tao mo tanaw.
Happy Fiesta.
Go.
Fiesta na pala bukas. May abuhan.
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.